Welcome to today's video about food that improves your weak bones. Did you know that your bones are secretly crying for help right now? While you're watching this video, millions of bone cells are being destroyed faster than they're being rebuilt. But here's the shocking truth. There's a group of foods that can reverse this process, and one of them contains 17 times more calcium than milk. What I'm about to share with you challenges everything the dairy industry has told us about bone health. Recent groundbreaking research has uncovered 6 extraordinary foods that don't just match milk's bone-building power, they completely surpass it. These aren't exotic superfoods from distant lands. They're accessible, affordable, and scientifically proven to strengthen your skeletal system in ways that will surprise you. But before we dive into these bone-saving revelations, let me ask you something that might make you uncomfortable. When was the last time you thought about your bones? Not your joints, not your muscles, but your actual bones. Most people only consider bone health after it's too late. After a fracture, after a diagnosis, after the damage is already done. The truth is, your bones are under attack every single moment. Right now, as you sit watching this, specialized cells called osteoclasts are methodically breaking down your bone tissue. If you're over 50, these destruction crews are working overtime while your bone-building teams struggle to keep up. This isn't just aging. It's a biological crisis happening beneath your skin. The truth about bone health. Your bones are living, breathing tissue that's constantly rebuilding itself. Every single day, specialized cells called osteoblasts work tirelessly to create new bone tissue, while osteoclasts break down old, worn-out bone. This delicate balance works perfectly when you're young. But something dramatic happens as you age, especially after 50. The construction crew starts working slower, while the demolition team speeds up. Research published in the Canadian Medical Association Journal shows that after age 50, we lose approximately 1.3% of our bone mass every year. For women entering menopause, this loss accelerates to a staggering 1.8 to 2.3% annually in the spine and 1.0 to 1.4% in the hip during the first 5 years post-menopause. Here's what makes this even more alarming. Bone loss is completely silent. There are no warning bells, no pain signals, no obvious symptoms until it's too late. That backache you blame on your mattress, that slight height loss you attribute to aging, these could be early signs that your bones are weakening right under your skin. The statistics are sobering and should wake you up to this silent epidemic. Research from Johns Hopkins reveals that 1 in 2 women and 1 in 4 men over age 50 will break a bone due to osteoporosis in their lifetime. Hip fractures alone send over 300,000 Americans to the hospital each year, and 20% of hip fracture patients die within 1 year due to complications. But here's where the story takes an incredible turn. Scientists have discovered that certain plant-based foods contain compounds that can actually communicate with your bone cells, telling them to build stronger, denser bone tissue. These foods don't just provide calcium. They orchestrate a complex symphony of bone-building activities that dairy products simply cannot match. The calcium myth has dominated our thinking for decades. We've been told to drink milk, take calcium supplements, and load up on dairy products. Yet countries with the highest dairy consumption often have the highest rates of osteoporosis. Why? Because calcium alone doesn't build strong bones. You need a complete orchestra of nutrients working together. All right, let's kick off our list of the top foods that strengthen your bones, starting with number 1. Moringa. The first bone breakthrough food will shock you because it's been hiding in plain sight, yet most people have never heard of it. Moringa, often called the miracle tree, contains an astounding 2,500 to 3,000 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams, compared to milk's mere 120 milligrams. That's roughly 17 to 25 times more calcium than milk, making it one of the richest natural calcium sources on Earth. However, calcium is just the beginning of Moringa's bone-building story. This remarkable plant contains powerful compounds called isothiocyanates that act like intelligent supervisors at your bone construction site. They stimulate osteoblasts to work harder while simultaneously telling osteoclasts to slow down their destructive activity. Research published in Food Science and Nutrition demonstrated that fermented moringa consumption significantly increased bone density markers and prevented bone loss in calcium-deficient rats over an 18-week period. What makes Moringa extraordinary is its bioavailability. Unlike synthetic calcium supplements that often pass through your body unused, Moringa's calcium comes packaged with natural cofactors that enhance absorption. The plant contains vitamin C, which can increase calcium absorption by up to 30%, and magnesium, which acts as calcium's transport system into your bones. To harness Moringa's power, start with half a teaspoon of Moringa powder daily for the first week, gradually increasing to 1 full teaspoon. Mix it into fresh juices, smoothies, or sprinkle over salads. Take it with food to avoid potential digestive discomfort, and maintain this routine for at least 3 months to see measurable improvements in bone density markers. The best time to consume Moringa is in the morning with breakfast, when bone-building activity is most active. Next, food number 2, quinoa. The second bone breakthrough food is quinoa, and its bone-building secret lies in its complete protein profile. Unlike most plant foods, quinoa contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs for tissue repair and maintenance. Most importantly, it's rich in lysine, an amino acid that's absolutely crucial for calcium absorption and collagen production, the protein scaffolding that gives your bones their flexible strength. Think of your bones as a reinforced concrete building. Calcium provides the concrete, but collagen provides the steel rebar that prevents cracking and breaking. Without adequate lysine, your body cannot manufacture enough collagen, leaving your bones brittle and prone to fractures. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides 60 milligrams of calcium along with magnesium, phosphorus, and manganese. But here's the critical insight most people miss. Magnesium is like the mortar that holds your bone structure together. Without adequate magnesium, calcium cannot properly integrate into bone tissue, regardless of how much calcium you consume. Research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that magnesium deficiency increases osteoporosis risk even when calcium intake is adequate. Quinoa also contains saponins, natural compounds that reduce inflammation, a major factor in age-related bone loss. The manganese in quinoa is essential for bone formation and the synthesis of connective tissue. Just 1 cup provides nearly 60% of your daily manganese needs. To prepare quinoa properly, rinse it thoroughly under cold water to remove natural saponins that can cause digestive upset. Use 2 cups of water for each cup of quinoa, bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes until the grains become translucent. Consume half a cup 3 times weekly for optimal bone benefits, and continue this pattern for at least 6 months to support long-term bone health. Next, food number 3, sesame seeds. The third bone breakthrough food is sesame seeds, and their calcium concentration will astound you. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds contains approximately 88 milligrams of calcium, and when you consider that 100 grams of sesame seeds provide 989 milligrams of calcium compared to milk's 120 milligrams per 100 grams, you're looking at over 8 times more calcium density. Black sesame seeds are even more potent, offering roughly 20% more calcium than regular sesame seeds. What makes sesame seeds extraordinary isn't just their calcium content, but their highly bioavailable calcium. Research shows that calcium bioavailability from sesame seeds reaches 65% compared to calcium carbonate's benchmark. This means your body can actually use the calcium from sesame seeds more effectively than many supplements. Sesame seeds also contain unique lignans called sesamin and sesamolin, compounds that help regulate bone metabolism and protect bone cells from inflammatory damage. These lignans act like molecular switches, turning on bone-building genes while turning off bone-destroying pathways. Studies in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that postmenopausal women who consumed sesame seeds regularly experienced significantly less bone density loss compared to those who didn't. The zinc content in sesame seeds is particularly important for bone health. Zinc deficiency is surprisingly common in adults over 50 and directly impacts bone formation. Without adequate zinc, your body cannot properly synthesize collagen or activate the enzymes necessary for bone mineralization. To maximize absorption, lightly toast sesame seeds in a dry pan for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent burning. This process breaks down enzyme inhibitors and makes nutrients more bioavailable. You can grind them into a paste using a food processor, creating homemade tahini. Consume 1 tablespoon daily with meals for optimal calcium absorption, and maintain this routine for at least 4 months to observe meaningful bone density improvements. Next, food number 4, chia seeds. The fourth bone breakthrough food is chia seeds, nature's omega-3 powerhouse that transforms bone health from the inside out. 5 tablespoons of chia seeds deliver roughly the same calcium as a glass of milk, but with a crucial advantage. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids that dramatically reduce bone-damaging inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the primary drivers of bone loss after age 50. It's like having a slow-burning fire in your bones that gradually weakens the entire structure. The omega-3 in chia seeds help calm this inflammatory response, creating an optimal environment for bone rebuilding. Research published in nutrition journals showed that individuals with higher omega-3 blood levels consistently demonstrated stronger bone density across all age groups. Chia seeds contain the highest concentration of omega-3 of any plant food, with over 60% of their fat coming from alpha-linolenic acid. This omega-3 fatty acid helps reduce the production of inflammatory cytokines that accelerate bone breakdown. Chia seeds also contain boron, a trace mineral that helps your body utilize calcium and magnesium more effectively. Boron acts like a mineral traffic controller, directing calcium to where it's needed most. Studies show that boron supplementation can reduce calcium excretion by up to 40%. The fiber content in chia seeds improves the absorption of other bone-supporting nutrients from your diet. Fiber feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut, and these bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids that enhance mineral absorption. To prepare chia seeds properly, soak 3 tablespoons in 1 cup of liquid for at least 20 minutes until they form a gel-like consistency. This soaking process enhances digestibility and nutrient absorption while preventing the seeds from absorbing moisture from your digestive tract. Consume this gel mixture daily, preferably with breakfast, and continue for at least 3 months to support your body's natural bone-building processes. Next, food number 5, tofu. The 5th bone breakthrough food is tofu, a plant-based protein that delivers more bioavailable calcium than 3 glasses of milk in just 200 grams. But tofu's bone-building power extends far beyond calcium. This versatile food contains isoflavones, plant compounds that mimic estrogen's bone-protective effects in your body. This is particularly crucial for postmenopausal women, as declining estrogen levels accelerate bone loss and increase osteoporosis risk. Estrogen acts like a protective coating for your bones, slowing down the activity of osteoclasts and maintaining the delicate balance between bone formation and breakdown. When estrogen levels plummet during menopause, this protection disappears, leading to rapid bone loss. Isoflavones help fill this hormonal gap naturally, promoting bone density and skeletal resilience. The primary isoflavones in tofu, genistein and digoxin, can bind to estrogen receptors in bone tissue, providing mild estrogenic effects that help maintain bone density. Studies conducted on Asian populations, where soy consumption is traditionally high, reveal significantly lower osteoporosis rates compared to Western populations with minimal soy intake. Tofu also provides complete protein with all essential amino acids needed for collagen synthesis. Your bones are about 30% protein, primarily in the form of collagen. This protein matrix provides the framework upon which minerals are deposited. Without adequate protein intake, your body cannot maintain this crucial scaffolding. To prepare tofu effectively, drain it well and let cubes sit on paper towels for 15 minutes to remove excess moisture. Press it gently to remove even more water, which allows seasonings to penetrate and improves texture. Season with garlic, ginger, and a small amount of sesame oil, then stir-fry over medium heat until lightly golden. Consume 100 to 150 grams of tofu 3 times weekly, and maintain this pattern for at least 6 months to support long-term bone health and hormonal balance. Next, food number 6, figs. The 6th bone breakthrough food might surprise you: dried figs. These sweet, chewy fruits are calcium powerhouses that many people overlook. Just 5 medium dried figs contain approximately 135 milligrams of calcium, along with potassium, magnesium, and vitamin K, all essential nutrients for bone health. What makes figs particularly remarkable is their unique combination of boron and potassium. Boron helps your body retain calcium and magnesium while supporting the conversion of vitamin D to its active form. This trace mineral acts like a master key, unlocking your body's ability to use other bone-building nutrients effectively. Potassium neutralizes acid in your body that can leach calcium from bones, acting as a natural bone protector. The modern diet is highly acidic due to processed foods, excess protein, and stress. This acidity forces your body to pull calcium from bones to buffer the acid, gradually weakening your skeletal system. Figs also contain powerful antioxidants called phenolic compounds that protect bone cells from oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. Research has demonstrated that individuals consuming potassium-rich foods regularly showed improved bone health markers compared to those who didn't. The natural sugars in figs provide quick energy for bone-building processes, while the fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels. Their natural sweetness makes them an excellent alternative to processed snacks while supporting your skeletal system. Choose organic dried figs without added sulfites, and consume 4 to 5 medium figs daily as a mid-morning or afternoon snack. Soak them in warm water for 10 minutes to enhance digestibility and nutrient absorption. Maintain this daily habit for at least 4 months to experience optimal bone-strengthening benefits. Next, how to prepare and enjoy these bone-boosting foods. The key to maximizing these foods' bone-building potential lies in proper preparation and strategic consumption. Create a weekly meal plan that incorporates all 6 foods in rotation. Monday mornings can start with chia pudding topped with sesame seeds. Tuesday lunch might feature quinoa salad with moringa powder dressing. And Wednesday evenings could include stir-fried tofu with a side of soaked figs. Timing matters significantly for nutrient absorption. Consume calcium-rich foods like sesame seeds and figs away from coffee or tea, as tannins can interfere with calcium absorption by up to 40%. Space iron-rich foods and calcium sources at least 2 hours apart to prevent nutrient competition. Preparation techniques can dramatically impact nutrient availability. Grinding sesame seeds releases more calcium by breaking down the tough outer hull, while soaking chia seeds improves digestibility. Fermenting quinoa overnight before cooking increases mineral bioavailability by reducing phytic acid. Next, precautions to keep in mind. Moringa can act as a mild laxative if overused, so always start with small amounts. Those taking diabetes medications should monitor blood sugar closely, as moringa may enhance medication effects. Quinoa contains oxalates that could pose risks for people prone to kidney stones. Consume quinoa in moderation and drink plenty of water if this applies to you. Sesame seeds are calorie-dense at about 52 calories per tablespoon, so limit intake to 1 tablespoon daily if you're managing weight. Chia seeds may interact with blood-thinning medications due to their omega-3 content. Consult your healthcare provider if you take warfarin or similar drugs. Tofu should be consumed in moderation by those with hormone-sensitive breast cancer history, as isoflavones may stimulate estrogen-sensitive tissues. Figs are high in natural sugars, so diabetics should monitor blood glucose levels when incorporating them regularly. Anyone taking medications should consult their doctor before making significant dietary changes. These foods work best as part of a comprehensive approach that includes regular weight-bearing exercise, adequate sunlight exposure for vitamin D synthesis, and overall healthy lifestyle choices. The beauty of these bone breakthrough foods lies in their synergistic effects. When consumed together as part of a balanced diet, they create a powerful network of bone-supporting nutrients that work far more effectively than any single supplement. Your bones will thank you for this natural, holistic approach to skeletal health. Remember, building strong bones is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency is your greatest ally in this journey. Small daily actions compound into remarkable results over time. Your future self, walking confidently, standing tall, living independently, depends on the choices you make today. Start today. Choose one food from this list and incorporate it into your next meal. Your bones are counting on you to take action, and every day you delay is another day of silent bone loss. The power to change your bone destiny is literally in your hands, waiting for you to take that first bite toward a stronger, more resilient future. If this video was helpful, kindly type yes in the comments. That motivates us to produce more content like this. Please hit the like button if you found value here. Share this with someone who needs stronger bones, and subscribe for more evidence-based health insights. Thank you for taking charge of your bone health today.